All right, ready for a deep dive you might not expect. Today we're going behind the scenes of a profession we see everywhere but rarely think about, window cleaning. We got some interesting sources from RoleCatcher, and it's way more than just buckets and squeegees.
It really is. What we often miss are the hidden complexities in these everyday jobs. We see someone cleaning windows and make assumptions, but there's a lot more going on.
Exactly, and that's where this deep dive gets really interesting. So let's jump right in. The RoleCatcher guide we're looking at breaks down what a window cleaner actually does daily. And honestly, I was surprised. It's not just soap suds and sunshine out there.
Far from it. It's physically demanding, often requiring specialized tools, knowledge of different building materials, and of course, working at heights.
Working at heights. Now, that sounds more intense than I pictured. What about safety protocols?
Safety is paramount. Think of them as rope access technicians. They're highly trained in using ladders, harnesses, all that safety equipment to reach those high-rise windows. It takes serious physical stamina and an eye for detail.
Wow, I never even considered the skill and precision involved. Reading these sample career profiles on RoleCatcher really highlights that these are true professionals.
Absolutely, and the industry is seeing some impressive growth too. The Bureau of Labor Statistics actually predicts demand for cleaning services will outpace the average for other occupations. So, job security, anyone.
That's fascinating. Why is that? Just all the new buildings going up?
That's part of it, sure. More buildings, more windows, but we're also seeing an increase in specialized cleaning services. Historical buildings, those delicate glass structures, things like that. Not just anyone can handle them.
Makes sense. It's not one-size-fits-all window cleaning anymore. Sounds like there's room for specialization and even some technological advancements. The guide mentioned robotic cleaners coming in. Have you heard about this?
Absolutely. Robotics is beginning to reshape the industry. But just like any job, there are two sides to the coin. Window cleaning offers flexibility, being active, often working outdoors, but it is physically demanding. You're exposed to the elements and, let's be honest, sometimes it can get a bit repetitive.
Good point. It's not all glamorous, even with that view.
And we can't forget the entrepreneurial spirit this job often attracts. The guide highlighted how many window cleaners become self-employed, a big draw for those wanting autonomy in their work.
So you could go from cleaning windows to owning the whole operation. Talk about climbing the ladder. Speaking of which, I was surprised to learn there are actual career stages within window cleaning. Tell me more about that.
It's true. You might start entry-level, learning the ropes, mastering the basics. As you gain experience, you handle more specialized tasks, utilizing professional-grade equipment like water-fed pole systems.
Hold on. Water-fed pole systems. What are those?
Think telescopic poles and purified water, allowing cleaners to reach high windows without always needing ladders. Safer, more efficient. Now, where was I? Ah, yes, career progression. From there, you could move into team leadership, project management, even develop safety protocols for a whole company.
Wow, who knew there was such a clear career trajectory in window cleaning? It seems like a lot of opportunity for growth and even professional development.
Exactly. The IWCA, the International Window Cleaning Association, even offers certifications. The CWCP, Certified Window Cleaning Professional, and the CWCM, Certified Window Cleaning Manager, shows their commitment to professionalizing the field.
Certifications, specialized equipment, career paths. This is really changing how I see window cleaning.
It shows how we underestimate the depth and complexity in different professions. But speaking of innovation, you mentioned robotic cleaners earlier, and that's where our deep dive gets even more interesting.
Right, we can't forget technology. And not just robots dangling from skyscrapers. RoleCatcher uses AI in a fascinating way. It's not just for finding jobs in tech, is it?
That's what's so exciting. AI is everywhere, including the job market. RoleCatcher uses AI to level the playing field for job seekers, even in fields like, well, window cleaning.
Exactly. They analyze job descriptions and give feedback on your application, even for something like window cleaning.
It's amazing. Imagine applying for that high-rise job we talked about. RoleCatcher's AI can scan the description, pick out keywords, safety protocols, high-rise experience, maybe even experience with those water-fed pole systems, then suggest ways to highlight those on your resume.
So instead of I cleaned windows, you'd say, I've implemented rigorous safety protocols while cleaning windows on high-rise buildings using advanced water-fed pole systems.
Exactly. You're speaking their language from the get-go, and it goes beyond resumes. It can analyze practice interview responses, giving feedback on your delivery and content.
Like a secret weapon or a 247 career coach, but without the cost.
It empowers job seekers who might not have experience navigating the job market, providing equal access to opportunities.
Now that you mention it, it challenges that idea of technology replacing jobs. Here, AI helps people get those jobs.
Precisely. Humans and technology working together. Now, thinking about our listeners, you might be thinking, this is interesting, but I don't see myself hanging from a building. And that's okay.
So what's the takeaway? What can we learn from this deep dive into window cleaning and AI?
It's about realizing there's more to most jobs than we think. Every profession has hidden complexities, challenges, and opportunities for growth. And as technology evolves, we'll see more unexpected pairings like this.
It really makes you think. We always hear about AI replacing jobs, but what about how it could improve existing fields, even the ones we don't usually associate with technology?
It's a really important point. This deep dive's shown us how AI can empower job seekers in unexpected ways, but it goes beyond that too. Think about AI-powered safety systems.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. In window cleaning, something like that could be the difference between a safe day and an accident.
Exactly. AI could analyze weather data, building conditions, even watch for equipment problems, adding a whole other level of safety for those high-rise jobs.
That'd be incredible. What else could AI help with?
Well, think about the logistics side of things. AI could map out the best cleaning routes, taking traffic, weather, even things like, bird migration into account.
Wow, I never thought of that. It's like having AI as a behind-the-scenes assistant, making everything smoother.
And we can't forget the human element either. AI could even personalize training, helping people learn new skills faster and better.
It's pretty amazing to think about, honestly, kind of mind-blowing. This deep dive into window cleaning has really opened my eyes, not just to the job itself, but to how technology is changing how we work. So if AI can take window cleaning to new heights, literally and figuratively, where else could it lead us?
That's what I'm hoping our listeners will think about. If AI can figure out what a window cleaner's resume needs, what hidden skills or opportunities could it uncover for you? There's a lot of potential out there.
Well said. That's a great point to wrap up on. Thanks for taking this deep dive with us. Until next time, keep those minds curious.